Burton, who drops back on the outside. The rest of the cars streaming through Tarzan. That is the name of turn 1, around turn 2, and then it'll be up onto the mighty banking of turn 3. 19 degrees of it. The cars taking different lines. Sandy Younger quite low down on the circuit. The rest of the cars taking a higher line. Here we come. It's flat out up the hill, down the hill, and then back up towards Benjamin Packer. He leads the way in the number 92 car. Flynn Schuring into second place, and Robert De Haan already making a move. He's up into third, and you get the feeling he is not going to be very patient when it comes to trying to get past Flynn Schuring. And look at him already challenging for that second place. He looks to the outside. Around turn 9 they come, and slots past Flynn Schuring. Schuring coming back on Benjamin Packer. 3 abreast for the lead. Robert De Haan, he's not hanging about. He gives Benjamin Packer the squeeze, but this works for Flynn Schuring. He's on the inside, still 3 abreast here. Amazing stuff from Porsche Carrera Cup Benelux. It's Benjamin Packer who retakes the lead, but how close is that now? Gus Burton, after a bad start, squeezed to the outside, he drops back. Robert De Haan once again challenging for the lead. Ariel Levy in there as well. Flynn Schuring back into that third place. Robert De Haan, he is impatient. Out into Lyndike, he comes onto the pit straight. He wants to get in front. They run side by side behind Gus Burton, getting swallowed up by the back. Benjamin Packer just in front into turn 1. Under heavy braking, Robert De Haan has the line. Benjamin Packer gets it all wrong. Under braking into the gravel trap. He keeps it all going, but Benjamin Packer, all that hard work, all that fighting, he's going to drop a long way back. And it's Robert De Haan who takes his position at the front of the pack. Flynn Schuring into second. Sandy Younger, very different line once again around turn 3, but amazing stuff. 3 abreast, real entertainment from Porsche Carrera Cup Benelux. Now, how far back has Benjamin Packer dropped? Well, he has dropped back a little way. Let's have another look here. You see, Robert De Haan had the inside line into the corner. Packer, well, he went to turn in. Flynn Schuring was there, got it all wrong under braking. A depressing sight for him as he sees the rest of the field come streaming through, and he's got all that hard work to do to try and work his way through the track. The pack of cars. Gus Burton has been noted for leaving the track and gaining an advantage. Look at this replay, the squeeze. Well, if that was leaving the track and gaining an advantage, I don't see much advantage. He was picking up the dirt. That would have stuck to his tyres, and he would have lost the traction after that little excursion. Robert De Haan, assuming the position that he's grown accustomed to in his brief career in Porsche Carrera Cup Benelux, and that is leading the field. Wonderful stuff. The number 77 car, Paul Meyer, on the front of a queue there as well. He is in 7th place, but now under pressure, Flynn Schuring, and he's got Gus Burton looking to the outside into turn 1, and further back, Glenn Van Parijs. He's the driver that's come out of this very well indeed. The car looks remarkably similar to Benjamin Packer's car, but it is Glenn Van Parijs who's in 4th place, and he has just watched the cars tripping over themselves in front. Keep an eye on Ariel Levy, the driver from Israel, has been something of a sensation this year in Porsche Carrera Cup Benelux. He is a man on a mission. You can see debris just in the racing line, just bouncing out of the way. Hope that's not going to cause any problems with punctures and the like. But Robert De Haan, there's an awful lot of debris out on the track. Marshals have been sweeping the track pretty well all day, because everything that is racing here this weekend has been getting down and dirty with it. But Robert De Haan, no mistaking there. He's muscled his way in front. Car 92 also noted for leaving the track and gaining an advantage. So that is Benjamin Packer, who has also been noted for leaving the track. I don't really see there being much advantage there, but here we go. This is our race leader, Robert De Haan. I'm just looking to see where Benjamin Packer has shown up on the timing screens, and it's down in 17th place out of the points. So that was a disastrous moment for him in that particular corner. Right, here we go. He's settled down a bit now. Ralph Poplars has got past Benjamin Packer's. Ryan Ratcliffe getting out wide in the number 3 car. Ryan Ratcliffe, he is fighting hard, and a locker from our race leader Robert De Haan. To remind you, these These drivers do not have tyre changes. We don't do pit stops, so if he flat spots the tyres, he's going to have a vibration that he's going to have to carry for the next 25 minutes. This race. As we suspected, the safety car is deployed when he decides to go up towards turn 13. They come, and then it'll be up onto the banking of Lyondike, turn 14. Some very eager cars further back. No overtaking, please. Yellow flag still going right now. Robert De Haan hits the accelerator, does exactly what he wants to do. Flint Schuring, a gap between him. Ariel Levy, well, he's going to be closing in on Flint Schuring. Ariel Levy with the rainbows representing Pride in June. In third place, Glenn Van Perijs. In fourth place, Gus Burton. In fifth place, he's not done yet, is he? Here he comes, Gus Burton on the inside of Glenn Van Perijs into turn one. Under braking they come. It's Van Perijs on the wide outside now, challenging Ariel Levy. Glenn Van Perijs up into third place. So Van Perijs making a good job of the start, capitalising while the cars are all together. And Ariel Levy, well, he'll be steaming inside that car, no doubt about that. I've never seen anyone so disappointed with second place as he was at Hockenheim, but he really sees himself as a race winner here, and he will be putting the pressure on Glenn Van Perijs. The cars continuing out towards turn 7 they come. Keep an eye on Ariel Levy. He has been the man on a mission all season long, down to fourth place, but for how long? Behind him, Gus Burton, a very, very rapid driver. Here comes Levy to the inside of Glenn Van Perijs, and he spins and he gets collected as well. Damage to Ariel Levy, all that hard work. He sees the field, comes streaming through. Didier Glorier doing all that he can to avoid collecting Ariel Levy, but he drops right to the back. And Ariel Levy, he had a non-finish in Carrera Cup Germany earlier on. Having another look here, and this is a day he's going to want to forget, isn't he? He's on the inside now. Perijs goes to shut the door, pitches him down onto the curbing a little bit. Whether the stewards take a dim view of that remains to be seen. It has been flashed up on our timing screen as something they're going to look into. Didier Glorier take it to the gravel. He did well to keep that going. That gravel is very deep. So the race remains Robert De Haan from Flint Schuring, then Glenn Van Perijs, Paul Meyer up into fourth place, then behind Gus Burton with Rick Kern now challenging on the outside into turn 1. Keep an eye on Lucas van Eindhoven in the green car as well, local driver, and he really wants to put on a good show. Mika Stanley in there as well, up onto the steep 19 degrees of turn 3 they come, settling back down into something like a single file for the time being. Robert De Haan, well, he hasn't opened up as big a gap as he had done previously from Flint Schuring. The front two breaking away. Flint Schuring, the younger brother of Maurice Schuring. There's something that's in the water where they live, because they are both incredibly rapid. Of course, Maurice came through this series a couple of years ago. Now his younger brother Flint looking very rapid in this, just his 5th race in Porsche Carrera Cup Benelux. Rest of the cars have come streaming through at the moment. Glenn Van Perijs looking a little vulnerable in third place. There's Horst Felix Felbermeyer in there as well. Another driver doing double duty with Carrera Cup Germany. He's in the middle of that pack. Dirk Schutter, a man who looked very good in Hockenheim, in 9th place. De Haan leading, Schuring 2nd, Glenn Van Perijs in 3rd, Paul Meyer in 4th, Gus Burton in 5th, Rick Kern in 6th, ahead of Lucas van Eindhoven, Micah Stanley, Dirk Schutter top 10, and then it's Sasha Norden. Rick Kern going wide, and Lucas van Eindhoven. I said keep an eye on him, but not for that reason. He's got wide, he's got dirt on the tyres. He is going to take a little while to get that cleaned up. You see Rick Kern, when he just loses the back end, he drifts out wide, and Van Eindhoven almost follows him. The car gets a little bit airborne. He rejoins, but to be awarded. You can see the marshals working hard. Such a shame for Cedric Chassang, who has been having such a... Turn 3, there is confirmation of the race result. Robin Hahn ahead of Flint Schering and Glenn Van Parijs, Paul Meyer, Gus Burton, Dirk Schuten, Horst Felix Feldmeier. Good job there through to 7th place.